It's great to be back sharing my monthly stock-up series with you. December is a goldmine for grocery deals. Holiday baking, festive feasts, and cozy meals mean stores are packed with bargains. My philosophy? Buy when prices are lowest, not just when you run out. That's how you build a pantry that saves you time, stress, and money. So, grab your notebooks and let's dive into the best pantry staples to stock up on this December. Let's get started. December is prime time for hearty root vegetables, potatoes, onions, carrots, and sweet potatoes. These humble staples are the backbone of winter cooking, bringing warmth and comfort to your table when the weather turns cold. Buy them in bulk at great prices and store in a cool, dark place. Stocking up now means you'll always have the makings of a cozy meal on hand, whether it's a quick weeknight dinner or a slow-cooked weekend feast. Keep onions and potatoes separate to make them last longer. Storing them apart helps prevent spoilage, so you can enjoy their flavors for weeks instead of days. Sweet potatoes are perfect for roasting or freezing as mashed. Their natural sweetness shines in casseroles, soups, or even as a simple side dish. Clementines are everywhere. Freeze segments for smoothies or snacks. Their bright flavor is a welcome burst of sunshine in the darker months, and they're easy to prep ahead for busy days. Look for deals on parsnips, turnips, beets, and winter squash like butternut and acorn. These veggies are not only affordable, but they're also packed with nutrients and add beautiful color to your meals. These veggies last for weeks and are perfect for soups and sides. Toss them into stews, roast them, or blend them into creamy purees for a comforting winter treat. Roasting a mix with olive oil and rosemary is a simple, delicious side. The flavors caramelize and deepen, making even the simplest meal feel special. A well-stocked veggie bin is the first step to a happy winter kitchen. With a variety of root vegetables on hand, you're always ready to whip up something nourishing and satisfying. It all starts with these foundational flavors. Root vegetables are the unsung heroes of winter, bringing depth, nutrition, and heartiness to every dish you create. December is baking season, and all the staples, flour, sugar, baking soda, powder, and vanilla, are on sale. Check unit prices. Bigger bags often mean bigger savings if you have storage. Stock up on chocolate chips, sweetened condensed milk, and sprinkles for festive treats. Most baking items have a long shelf life, so buy enough for the year. Don't forget yeast, cornmeal, and oats for bread, cornbread, and more. A full baking bin means you're ready for any baking inspiration. Create warmth and memories, 1 cup of flour at a time. Canned goods are pantry lifesavers, and December brings big sales. Stock up on canned veggies, fruits, soups, and especially tomatoes in all forms. Beans, chickpeas, kidney, pinto are protein-packed and versatile. Canned fruit is great for quick desserts or breakfast add-ins. Don't forget canned tuna, chicken, and your favorite soups for easy meals. Every can is a future meal solution and peace of mind. Build a solid canned goods foundation for your pantry and budget. The freezer is your friend. December is perfect for stocking up. Frozen veggies are picked at peak freshness and are super convenient. Keep peas, corn, broccoli, and spinach on hand for quick sides or to bulk up meals. Frozen fruit is a must for smoothies and is often cheaper than fresh. Holiday proteins like turkey and ham are at their lowest prices. Buy extra and freeze. Leftover ham is great for omelets, soups, and casseroles. Look for deals on frozen shrimp, meatballs, and appetizers. Stocking your freezer now guarantees easy, delicious meals all winter. Protein is often the priciest part of a meal, so watch for December sales. Besides turkey and ham, look for deals on ground beef, chicken, and pork. Buy family packs, portion, and freeze for future meals. Roasts like chuck or pork shoulder are affordable and perfect for slow cooking. Plant-based? Stock up on tofu, tempeh, dried beans, and lentils. A variety of proteins keeps meals interesting and budget-friendly. Fill your freezer and pantry with options for cozy winter cooking. December is the perfect time to stock up on butter and cheese. Both freeze exceptionally well, ensuring you have a steady supply for all your holiday cooking and baking needs. Buy several pounds of butter and big bags of shredded cheese for the freezer. These staples can be used in a variety of dishes, from savory casseroles to sweet desserts. Hard cheeses like cheddar and Parmesan last long when wrapped properly. They are perfect for grating over pasta, adding to sandwiches, or simply enjoying with crackers. Look for sales on sour cream, cream cheese, and heavy cream, essentials for holiday recipes. These ingredients are key for making rich, creamy sauces and decadent desserts. Cream cheese freezes well for cooked dishes. Use it in cheesecakes, frostings, or savory dips to add a creamy texture and rich flavor. Milk and yogurt are often discounted. Buy extra if your family uses a lot. These can be used in smoothies, baking, or simply enjoyed on their own. Non-dairy alternatives like almond or oat milk are also on sale. Grab shelf-stable cartons. They are perfect for those who are lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based options. Watch for deals on dairy-free butters and cheeses. These products are great for vegan recipes or for those looking to reduce their dairy intake. Stock up on what your family uses most for delicious meals ahead. Whether it's dairy or non-dairy, having a well-stocked pantry ensures you're always ready to whip up something tasty. Grains and pasta are pantry staples, and December brings great deals. Stock up on rice, pasta, and stuffing mix. Pasta lasts forever and is a quick meal solution. Buy a variety of pasta shapes and a big bag of rice for endless meal options. Add grains like quinoa, couscous, and barley for variety and nutrition. Oats are often on sale, perfect for breakfast, baking, or adding to smoothies. These shelf-stable grains are inexpensive and versatile. A well-stocked grain section is the backbone of your pantry. Stretch your meals and fill hungry bellies with these essentials. December is truly snack season, when every gathering, big or small, seems to call for a table full of tasty bites. Whether you're hosting a holiday party, planning a cozy movie night, or just want to have something special on hand, now's the perfect time to stock up. Nuts, crackers, chips, and sweet treats are all on sale this month. Take advantage of the deals and fill your pantry with favorites like pecans, walnuts, and almonds. These are perfect for snacking, baking, or adding a crunchy touch to salads and desserts. Freeze extra nuts to keep them fresh for months, so you'll always have some on hand for recipes or last-minute guests. Grab a variety of crackers. They're great for cheese boards, dips, and even to serve alongside soups or salads. Chips, pretzels, and popcorn are perfect for parties, game nights, or family movie marathons. They're easy to serve and always a crowd pleaser. Look for deals on cookies, candies, and other sweet treats. These make great additions to dessert tables or gift baskets. Chocolates wrapped in festive colors are perfect for snacking, sharing, or even as stocking stuffers. Don't forget popcorn kernels. They last practically forever and make a great budget-friendly snack for any occasion. Think about what your family enjoys most, both for everyday snacking and for entertaining guests. Planning ahead means you'll always be ready. Having a well-stocked snack pantry saves time and stress during the busy holiday season, making it easy to grab something quick. Just try not to eat them all before the guests arrive, though with so many delicious options, it might be tough to resist. The beverage aisle is full of December deals. Coffee, tea, and hot chocolate are must-haves. Stock up on your favorite coffee when it's on sale. It keeps well in airtight containers. Tea and hot chocolate mixes are perfect for cozy winter days. Look for festive drinks like sparkling cider and cranberry juice for holiday meals. Sparkling water is a fun, bubbly alternative to soda. Juice boxes or bottles are great for kids and quick drinks. Replenish your beverage station for all the cozy moments ahead. Make sure you're ready for guests and family gatherings. Don't overlook condiments, sauces, and oils. December sales make it the perfect time to stock up. Grab olive oil, vegetable oil, and a variety of vinegars for cooking and salads. Cranberry sauce, gravy, and mustards are holiday essentials. Check your supply of ketchup, mayo, and salad dressings. Jarred pasta sauce, salsa, and soy sauce are pantry staples. Broths and stocks are the base for soups and gravies. Buy shelf-stable cartons on sale. These items last long and add flavor to every meal. Build your flavor arsenal now for easy cooking all year. Before shopping, take inventory of your pantry, fridge, and freezer. Focus on what your family actually eats. Don't buy just for the deal. List your top meals and their core ingredients. Prioritize those on your stock-up list. This groundwork sets you up for a successful January pantry challenge. A little planning now means less stress and more creativity next month. Gather your pantry pieces now for a fun, budget-friendly January. That was a lot of info. To make shopping easier, I've created a printable checklist for you. It covers all the categories we discussed: produce, baking, canned goods, and more. Download it from the link in the description below. Print or save it to your phone. Add your family's must-haves in the blank spaces. A list keeps you focused, on budget, and ensures you get everything you need. Check it out before your next shopping trip. That's a wrap on our December stock-up guide. Every dollar saved now is a dollar for something else. Be intentional with your shopping. Don't forget the January Pantry Challenge. Your efforts now will pay off next month. Grab the printable checklist. It'll be your best friend at the store. Thanks for joining me today. Be safe and keep stacking it to the rafters. See you next time.